My name is Dipesh, and here in this video, I'm gonna show you how either my system is running or not, either my network setup is not. I'm just gonna type the codes and gonna show you that all the setup is running on a, for example, interview line, Ethernet, verifications, Ether channels, ACLs, everything. So here first, I'm showing you interview line routing. I will start by in switch 4 because I put a few lines in switch 3 and switch 4. Let's go and let's have so VLAN VRIEF VRIEF. Here we can clearly see that VLAN has been created. IT VLAN and HI VLAN 10 and 20 has been created in input port one of both each to connect to each computer. Similarly, if you go to the PC2 and we can write enable so VLAN. Here also we can clearly see that another VLAN, IT VLAN has been created and switch 3. Not only that, we can also ping the PCs within a VLAN. So for example, let's try to ping the PC. Let's try to ping PC4 from PC3. So let's try and ping 172.93.20.2. Here, let's wait. And we can sum out. Yeah, here we can see that ping is successful. Well, we got the one trouble, but still we received the 3 ping and one lost one, and that means there is a connection between the system. Now I will verify Ethernet channel, and so what we can do is we choose the Ethernet channel and switch 3 and switch 4 also. So let's go to switch 4 again and just type so it Ethernet channel. Yes, here we can see that ether channel. There been ether channel in the port. Both port 2 and port 3 is activated. We can say port in port channels over here, and that means port channel is working and ether channel is working in switch 4. Similarly, we can also go to the switch 3 and we can just type so channel. Here also we can say similarly that both port 2 and port 3 has been working, and there is ether channel in the switches. Now let's talk about the routing and routing verification. We did the routing in Sydney IPS and Melbourne router. So let's verify through the Sydney. Let's go enable. So now let's just see protocols. That means so IP route, so IP route or IP rip. Here we can see that in Sydney I typically going for the rip, so we can also go for so IP PRO IP ROUT. Here we can see that R means RAP, and we can see there is routing protocol between the serial cables network and with IPS, and with the two network with the two Melbourne routers too. Here we can clearly see that. Similarly, we can run the same command in IPS network enable. So IP ROU, so IP route. Here also we can see that there been a routing on the IPS network regarding with Sydney and Melbourne, and all the routing details are been configured over here. Similarly, on Melbourne also we can go and just write the command so IP ROUT route. In minimal route also we can clearly see the that means RIP, which also means routing verification or routing protocol, that's working within the network here, and 30.03 and with uh, Melbourne gateway too. And we can also ping from Sydney network to the Melbourne network. For example, let's go config, sorry, desktop command prompt. Let's try to ping PC3 from PC2. Ping 172.93.20.2 pinging. Sorry, we're pinging a PC4 now here. Let's just wait, request timeout, and we're just waiting. Oh, actually, why it's not working is I already put the ACL in this network in the router. That's why PC4 cannot go through the PC2 cannot ping to the PC4. For example, but if we can ping to the PC3, by the way, let's go and run ping 172.93.10.2. Here we can clearly see that there is been pinging or communication between the router. So that means our system is working. Our system is working properly. The whole routing configuration is working properly. To verify the DHCP, I configure on this router, and I put the DHCP and configure DHCP in this router. To verify, let's randomly put one PC and I connect it with the switch. With this switch, and in this gateway, in this network IP address, we have configured the DHCP. So here the PC will automatically request the IP address to the Sydney router and automatically get the IP address. Just wait for the 30 seconds. Till then we can also discuss about the ACLs. So for ACL, what I did is I put the ACL command here so that PC4 cannot get permit here on this network, but PC3 can get permit in this network. So let's just go and write the command. So access ls actually list. Here it says that VLAN 10 or PC10 or VLAN 10 or a 10 permit or PC10. PC3 has permit, but PC4 don't have permit. So that means all the network has permit except PC4, or except 172.93.20 network. So let's try to check it. Let's try to ping from PC4 to server. Okay, ping 10.93.0.2. Here we can see that destination host unreachable. So that means PC4 cannot ping. It's unreachable. But we similar from the PC3 we can ping because it's been allowed. It's got permit. So ping 10.93.0.2. Yeah, just wait for a second and it's much okay timeout. Yeah, we can see there's been the communication between a server and a PC3. That means there is the ACL has been used properly. So let's go back to the DHCP and let's check either the network has got DHCP network or not. Configuration, just go for DHCP, requesting for the IP address. Yeah, here we can clearly say that the network has got DHCP IP address. We don't have to type it manually, and DHCP request is successful. That means 10.93.1.12 which is subnet mask and with default gateway, which is this one. So all over the network is good and it's running. Thank you.